What the f was that? What's going on YouTube? Dan from Southall Computing here, and I'm in the dark. Apparently some accident happened down the street over here, and I was trying to do a giveaway video. So I said, screw it. We'll do it without the fancy equipment. We'll do it off the phone. So we're giving away a Apple Watch Series 0 here. It is used. Win it, sell it, enjoy it. I don't care. It's free. Oh, it's free. Anyway, thanks for being loyal fans. It's, again, greatly appreciated. To enter to win, definitely leave a comment below. And that's all you got to do. Oh, actually, and subscribe to the channel. So subscribe, leave a comment below. This is Dan from Southall Computing in the dark. And until the next time.